Hey guys, welcome back to our channel where we talk about everything drone and tech related. Today, we're going to be talking about 3 must-have accessories for your DJI Mavic Mini drone,
or really any other drone in the mini series.
These accessories will help protect your drone, extend its battery life, and make it so much easier to transport. So without further ado, let's get started. The first accessory is silicone propeller holders. These little accessories attach to the propellers of your Mavic Mini drone when it's not in use. They prevent the propellers from getting damaged during transportation and storage. They're made of soft and durable silicone, which means they can protect your propellers without scratching them. The best part, they're only $4 Australian on eBay. The second accessory is a case. It's important to keep your drone in a case when you're transporting it. A good case will protect your drone from damage and will make it way easier to carry around. We found a great case on eBay for $20 Australian. It's made out of durable material and has enough space to fit your Mavic Mini drone, controller, propellers, and other accessories. Now the third and final accessory is an 18-watt charging brick. Now you're probably thinking, what's so special about a charging brick? With a regular 12-watt charging brick, it takes about 90 minutes to fully charge your drone, but with an 18-watt charging brick, you can go from 0 to 100% in 50 minutes or less. This little device will allow you to charge your Mavic Mini drone much faster than a standard charger. We picked up this charging brick from Kmart for just $10 Australian. It's small, lightweight, and easy to carry around. It's a great accessory to have if you're planning on flying your drone for extended periods of time. So there you have it. 3 must-have accessories for your DJI Mavic Mini drone: the silicone propeller holders, the case, and the 18-watt charging brick. All 3 of these accessories are affordable and easy to find. If you're a Mavic Mini drone owner, we highly recommend you picking them up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.